Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And as you can see, we are at our new home, and it's been almost a week. Yeah, exactly a week. We shifted last week Friday, and आज Friday hai, so almost a week since we shifted. We are still settling down. It's like we'll take more 15 to 20 days to settle down, but the problem is we are traveling over the next week, which is on Monday. We have an early morning flight. It's gonna be my packing and preparing for my next trip wala vlog. So we knew we are going exactly 15 to 20 days पहले हमने ticket book किया, and this was all of a sudden. It was Altamash had a meeting and he has to attend, so I just thought let's just jump in together. Let's just jump in and go and explore his work on Monday and Tuesday. I think Tuesday, Wednesday or Monday, Tuesday, something like that. So we are going on Monday morning. 12 बजे की flight है, so he has work on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we are staying there again for good 2 3 days, and we're coming back I think in 4 5 days. It's basically a 4 5 days ka trip, but I'm super excited. I'm so happy that we took this decision of going because we are so tired of this shifting and all that stuff. So this is going to be a really amazing thing for us, like to travel, to take a break. थोड़ा hectic भी हो जाएगा because I have to pack. अभी ही जस्ट मैंने कल ही इनफैक्ट सूटकेस अनपैक किया है from all that thing that I bought from the home. Now I have to pack again. So I'm just starting with the packing and few चीज़ें लेना है, so I'm going to do that today. So we were just exploring and we found this place where I shopped a little, so I'm just gonna quickly share that with you. So don't mind fan on. I'm really like adjusting into this climate, the weather and all that stuff is because it's hot here. Like itna garam hai that initial days we were just like sweating so much, and we are not used to this, right? We stay in Pune ka weather is so pleasant. Like we have summer for like 2.5 months, तब थोड़ा बहुत गर्म होता है, बट आफ्टर दैट इट इज़ रियली नाइस. मानसून में तो इतना अच्छा हो जाता है, एंड जस्ट बिफोर शिफ्टिंग वेदर बहुत अच्छा था. इनफैक्ट इट वॉज कोल्ड. सो नाउ कमिंग हियर इज़ लाइक इट्स हॉट. इट्स रियली हॉट एंड वी जस्ट गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड, एग्जॉस्टेड. इतना काम है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू कोप अप विद ऑल दैट स्टफ. शो यू गाइस मैंने क्या लिखा है कल रात में. इट वॉज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. आई डिड नॉट गो फॉर शॉपिंग और समथिंग. और ऑल्सो वी डिड शॉपिंग बिफोर शिफ्टिंग बिकॉज हमको 15-20 दिन पहले पता चल गया था दैट वे. आई एम जस्ट गोना इंसर्ट द स्मॉल क्लिप व्हेन वी वर शॉपिंग. I did not shop itna. We shopped for Altamash because Altamash really needed few outfits while we were traveling. And मैंने I think एक ही चीज़ लिया है. I just took one thing, and now this is something that I took from here. And this is a really cute one piece, and I feel it's really nice. And the place that we are going is gonna be super hot. So I just want to take outfits which are super comfortable, cotton. So that is the reason I picked up. So that's the outfit. I'm gonna take this. I just feel this is so appropriate to the place that we are going. So the only thing that I picked up, like the outfit, and then थोड़ा बहुत accessories pick up किया. Feel it was a need, but I really liked it, so I picked up. This is a really pretty set. Normally I don't go for these kind of sets because they are not of that great quality, but I feel this one is of really great quality and really pretty patterns as well. So you can see everything. I think I should wear it today. Next thing that I got is this clip, which I feel is so in nowadays. I was going on vacation and just thought let's give it a try. I've never used something like this before. So my husband picked this up for me. He really liked it, so he got this for me and this one. It was like he really liked it. He's like ले लो अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें. So he picked up. And I got a lip liner from Swiss Beauty. Actually I have to go to a beauty center to get few things, so I'm gonna get that done today. So let me just quickly start packing. थोड़ा Friday place we're gonna get all the work done जो हमारे बाहर के काम है. I have to go to beauty center. We have another work which we are going out for, and थोड़ा बहुत अगर कुछ चीज़ें लेनी है, so we'll go and get that thing. The current situation, मैंने अभी just कपड़े निकाला है. I have to open this bag. This bag has all my makeup and my jewelry which he shifted with, so I have to open this up. Let me open it. So that's everything in here. Like all my makeup is here, and this is clips, earrings, accessories and all that stuff in this section. So I did a little bit of work now, and as I told you, as we are going out, so I'll get ready. We have to leave by 4. It's 3:20 already, so I'll get ready quickly and use it. And this is quite comfortable also, so I'll take this, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna use it. But as usual मैं pack के साथ I'll take my bung bag, and one more bag I'm planning to take. I'm taking 3 bags most. So other bag that I'm planning to take is this one from Charles and Keith. Let me just open and show you. This is my first ever Charles and Keith which I got it from here. So I'm taking this one. Currently at west side. पहले अल्तमश के लिए कुछ लेते हैं and then I'll buy something. I'm not sure what I need, but let's check out. So to get an umbrella, if you guys remember my umbrella which I bought last time when we were going to Bangalore, वो मैंने बैंगलोर में ही छोड़ दिया and वो in the बैंगलोर वाला vlog what all I have faced, but this time I'm planning to be careful and take it in the luggage itself. Not में नहीं लेना है, नहीं तो फिर problem हो जाएगी. Thinking to go and get an umbrella quickly. I really need a transparent umbrella. I want to take good pictures when we are going there, so we're going for that now. और कोई दूसरे ट्राई करने, लेकिन दूसरा वाला लेती वो भी अच्छा था. आ जाएगी छतरी बैग में. आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव टू एक्सचेंज इट. नहीं आएगी. छतरी नहीं आ रही है बैग में. Got few munchies from DMart. You should definitely go DMart if you need something like this when you are traveling or something. It is so much better and so cheap as well compared to what you get from store. I got those on buy one get one, so like it was 50 rupees MRP. मुझे 250 rupees में मिले and these are super healthy. I'm gonna make a reel and show you guys as well what all I purchased for my next trip, like the snacks that I got for the trip. That reel or shorts will be coming soon as well, but you should definitely check out DMart once. We also don't prefer going DMart. बहुत कर दी होती है. आज Saturday था, it was very crowded, but this was something that we needed, so we got it. That umbrella will not fit in my suitcase, so I'm gonna go back, get that exchanged or changed, whatever is the option. I told that guy anyways कि अगर ये मुझे नहीं fit हुई मेरे बैग में, you have to refund me. He's like, yeah, I'll refund it. तो वो जाके चेंज कराना है. That was just making some sandwiches and I'll get back to packing because बहुत सारे बाकी है. But let's just finish up dinner and I want to get haircut done as well. मैंने पूछ के आया, कल का appointment भी ले लिया in fact for haircut. So that work is also done. That much of time कि और कुछ कर सकूँ, but I'm trying my level best whatever I can do. And all that I needed from medical. ले लिया सारी चीज़ें जो मेडिकल से चाहिए थी. पर जो अपन खाते वाले का नहीं. Ouch. Finally I'm back home and got everything that we needed. Last minute thing अगर कुछ रहा तो we'll go and get it tomorrow. We have one more day in our hand, so we're keeping it for tomorrow. This is the current situation. It's kind of a mess. I just need to figure it out. कपड़े हो गए. I'm deciding what makeup should I take. I have a lot now, so I'm just deciding what should I take. Thinking to put this eye mask and do my packing. जब तक this will take 10-15 minutes. I can just pack while I do my little skincare also. बहुत नीचे से बाल पतले हो गए थे, मुझे बाल सेट भी कराना था, तो आई वेंट एंड आई गॉट दिस डन. ज़्यादा नहीं बट थोड़ा बहुत लेंथ चॉप किया. आई वाज लाइक प्लीज़ डू इट वेरी लिटिल. आई वांट टू ग्रो माय हेयर. आई रियली लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर. आई मीन लाइक आई रियली वांट टू गो शॉर्ट, बट अभी आई डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग शेक छोटे बाल. So I want long hair. I had a hair wash and I had a little bit of haircut. Other thing that we need to carry in a hand carry, and ये मैंने backpack में भी थोड़ा भर लिया है food. Rest I'm gonna take in the hand carry, मतलब छोटा सा suitcase है उसमें I'm gonna put all. Change कर लिया and I'm having dinner. Yes, watch की size करवानी है, so we're just going for that. Now it's almost 10 o'clock. कुछ खुला मिलेगा तो we get that done quickly. So finally मैंने वॉच छोटी करवा लिया. I am taking this to the trip, but it's been 1 year since I got this and I haven't used it even once. So I'm taking to the trip. Taking from the box because I can't, ऐसे ही लेके नहीं जा सकता. I haven't even used it once, so I just keep it in the box with the space. That is completely packed और ये पूरा खाली है. I'm not sure what I'm gonna take because I've taken everything that I need. And this side is empty. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that because ये bag बहुत बड़ा है. But the weight that we have to take like 25 kgs, it's almost 21-22 with this side itself. मतलब ये बैग की कैपेसिटी 32 तक की है. But I can't anyways. अभी मैं और 1-2 किलो ऐड कर सकती हूँ. But I want to keep it first. Like I want to keep some space in case I want to take something from there, so that will be exactly 25.
The food, I'm adding all the food in this because ये balance हो जाएगा. Instead of keeping it in the small bag, I'm putting it in my big bag.
I'm done with packing. It's almost 12. It's time to sleep because we have to wake up early in the morning around 7. We have flight, I think, at 11 something. So I'm ending this vlog here. This was a really small vlog to show you guys what actually goes behind all the packing and all that stuff. So ending this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next.